Hi guys, so I'm not going to be here this afternoon for math. So you're going to do an activity during from 12 to 1 o'clock to help you review for tomorrow's math CBA. So you're going to go to classwork. You're going to scroll down and find Monday math breakout room activity. And you're going to work on this Escape the Snow Globes activity. It says Santa's elves have gotten themselves trapped in snow globes. You must rescue them. Find all the snow globes and help the elves escape so they can get back to Santa's workshop. So if you have a timer, you can set your timer for 40 minutes and see if you can complete the escape room before your timer goes off. And if you don't have a timer, don't worry about it, okay guys? So on the first slide, it says, oh no, some of the Christmas lights are out. Drag and drop the right number lights into the correct spot. Then you'll find your first elf in a globe. So you have to figure out what is the missing number in the little gray light bulbs right here. And you're going to drag and put the correct number to completely solve each addition problem. Once you've done that, you're going to drag the light over here, and there's an elf in a snow globe. You're going to do the same thing for slide number 3. You're going to find the difference. So you need to solve the subtraction problem. You're going to use the ornaments on the tree to write your difference and to write the answer to the subtraction problem. When you've solved all 4 subtraction problems, you're going to move the ornament to see the next elf. On the next slide, you're going to decode each number and drag and drop the stockings into place. Then drag and drop the stockings onto the fireplace to form your answer. So right here is a present. You need to find the number that represents a present, which is 3. Same thing, you need to find this picture, which is 6. Find the little elf, drag 5. Find the little candy, 4. So you need to solve 36 plus 54. You can use a sheet of notebook paper, guys, to help you solve. Then once you solve, you're going to drag the correct numbers for the stockings and put your answer down here on the fireplace. After you've done that, then you're going to move, after you've answered all of the addition problems, you're going to move the stocking, and it's going to reveal the next elf. Then read the directions as you go through, guys, to complete all the activities. It's dark outside. Have Rudolph help you find your next question to solve. Drag and drop Rudolph around until you find the questions. Then drag and drop the light bulb to form your answers. So right here, you need to drag Rudolph. You're dragging Rudolph to help you find your question. See, like right here, you have to continue dragging Rudolph until you find question number 1. Here's number 1, 92 minus 56. You need to solve what is 92 minus 56. You're going to use the light bulbs to form your answer in box number 1. Then you're going to drag Rudolph again. Keep dragging him. Drag him by the antlers, guys, so you don't accidentally delete anything. So I'm dragging him by the antlers. Here's my problem number 2, 77 minus 42. I need to solve. I'm going to put my answer using the light bulbs in box number 2. Then you're going to do the same thing for number 3. Same thing on slide number 5. Great work. Rudolph helped you find your next elves. In a globe, slide the bell over to find them. So I'm going to slide the bell. Oh, we found our next ones. Okay, it looks like the next elf in a globe is buried under some snowballs. Find the elf, then answer the question. So what you can do, guys, you can just click on each snow globe and just delete it. So you're going to have to delete all these snow globes. You can just click and delete, click and delete, click and delete. I'm just clicking and deleting. You have to delete all these snow globes, and then you're going to have a question underneath it. Then on this next one is very similar like the other slides. Find your next elf in a globe by matching the tiles to their correct answer. So you have to solve each addition problem, and you're going to find the answers over here. So you're going to pick the correct answer on the problem. So 17 plus 23. You need to find the correct answer over here and drag it and cover it up with that tile. Same thing for the other ones. Then you're going to solve. Then drag and drop the gift under the tree to form your answer. So you need to read the word problem, and you're going to use these presents right here to write your answer. So you're going to figure out what the answer is to this word problem, and you're going to drag and drop the gift to write your answer. Then when you're finished, you're going to move the gift, and it's going to reveal another elf in a snow globe. This one is also very similar to the one that you've done already. So guys, you're going to complete this escape room. Make sure you read the directions and fully complete it to break out of the breakout room, okay? Then don't forget, after this, you're going to work on your math choice board, okay? You should have one activity fully complete on your math choice board by the end of today, okay? I hope y'all enjoy this escape of the snow globes, and don't forget to complete one activity on your choice board as well. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.